Haha, hey, it's your boy, Skinny Penis. Today we're gonna learn to cut a bitch. No, we're gonna unbox this amazing, what is this again? It's an exhaust. Yes, it's an end can for the GSXR, and it's from the great people at eeeebeh. eeeeebeh. Yeah, it's a can. It's gonna give me 50 horsepower and it's gonna be great. So let's get on with the video, guys. Slap that like button. Slap the like button or else. Whoa, look at that! There's eBay tape on the box itself. This is amazing. So we got this high quality box with staples and eBay tape. Ooh, look at this. Now this can cost me about a week's wages, so it was over £20. No, it wasn't. It was like £17.50, wasn't it? Yeah, it was £17.50. Never mind, I'm chatting shit. Okay. Ooh, more tape! Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is gonna keep me entertained for a while. Fuck off, Harry. There we go. Look at this gorgeous little thing. D32, no idea what that means. Genuine Suzuki end can with the baffle. This thing is amazing. It comes complete with the extra power, scratches everywhere, and rust. But hey, this is gonna give me so much extra power, and it's gonna sound amazing. And in all seriousness, the only reason I got this is just so I could do track days without worrying about the noise limit. Why did I do an unboxing video on this?
Because you wanted to make fun of people who over-exaggerate on mundane shit.
Oh yeah! Look guys, it's so shiny! This thing is filthy.
It is
Suzuki GSXR 2002 K1 K3. Okay, so it should fit my bike. I'll do a fitting video as well. Installation of this exhaust system on motorcycle models not specified may violate the federal law.
Oh fuck!
We're going to commit a federal crime. We cannot be stopped. I hope my feet are not on the shot. I don't want to be posting feet on the internet for free.
Yeah, they're in the shot.
Fuck.
The toes aren't, but like the top of the feet are.
Have some free toes. Right guys, so I'm gonna head off now. Might commit a federal crime and fit this to the CBR, who knows. But for now, like, subscribe and comment to your boys' videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.